I have built up a collection of tools that will help you script, edit, publish and promote your videos on YouTube. In this video, I am going to be showing 7 free tools that will help you make the most out of content creation, and the best part is all the tools are completely. Our first category is designs and thumbnails, and our first tool within this category is Pixar, which is a automatic background mover from any image. Just select the picture that you want the background to be removed off, and boom, the background gets removed automatically without doing nothing. And if any of the side overs are left, you can also do the fine tune, and by selecting the brush size you can also remove the leftover. It is better to have a more sharp image for a better background removal. You are only left with the product that you want to use for any project that you want to use it. You can also use it in Canva, which is our next tool for this category. Canva is a free to tool graphic card designing website that you can use to create presentations, logos, Instagram posts, flyers, end cards, thumbnails, really anything that you want to use it for. I personally use it for creating thumbnails sometimes. It is a very easy website to use. Just type whatever you want to create, like a thumbnail. Okay, YouTube thumbnail. You can use various designs from it. Some of them are paid, but you can use it for free, like this thumbnail. You can use several templates as well as can make any changes that you want to, like change the pictures. You can even use your personal pictures, texts, as well as the background design. Canva can be basically used for anything that you want to create. Just create an account on it, which is totally free, as well as most of the templates are free. Some of them are paid, which you really don't need to use. If you are serious for YouTube, ThumbsUpTV is the must usable website for YouTube, because it lets you test out various title and thumbnail combinations that can be shown in various parts of YouTube, like on the main channel, sidebars, channel page, etc, etc. I personally use it to see if my titles don't cut off, as well as really compatible with my thumbnail or whatever you want to use it for. So it is a must have website for beginner YouTubers as well as the advanced YouTubers. Let's continue to our next category, which is editing. So it no longer matters if you are using a paid software or free software. So if you are starting YouTube as your full-time career, and if you are a very beginner to YouTube, I would recommend using DaVinci Resolve. It has a lot of features to provide you. It comes in both paid as well as free version, but the free version is not limited at all. It provides you all the features that you need as a beginner to start YouTube. There are a lot of channels that teach how to use DaVinci Resolve in detail and how to make the most out of the free version of it. I personally use DaVinci Resolve as I'm also a beginner to YouTube, but I have knowledge about all the paid software as well. But I would recommend every new beginner to use DaVinci Resolve, because it is the best software for a beginner to use. Many even professional YouTube channels use DaVinci Resolve, but mostly the paid version, because it gives you more benefits accordingly. Our next tool is Photopia, which is a browser-based photo editor which replicates all the features of Photoshop. So if you are already a user of Photoshop or even new to it, it basically replicates every single feature, and you can also use YouTube tutorials to follow and get the same results as of Photoshop with this Photopia editor. This is basically an editor used by all the professional YouTubers whenever they are out of their homes or traveling somewhere. So it is the must-have software for every YouTuber to create any sorts of designs and thumbnails that you are able to create with Photoshop. Just open a new project, select any project you want to use. You can also create the width, as well as every feature in this replicates 80 to 90% of Photoshop's features. One of the common mistakes that many YouTubers make is not adding enough B-roll footage to their videos, which makes their videos boring and less interested for the viewers. So Pexels is basically a free B-roll footage website that gives you access to a lot of B-roll footage all over the world. You don't even need to create account on it. Just search the type of b-roll footage that you want, and boom, it gives you automatically the footage, videos, photos, everything that you exactly need. Let's get to the last and the most useful software for YouTube, which is TubeBuddy, which helps you do basically every task that you need to do for YouTube, like creating thumbnails and creating tags for your YouTube videos, titles, and the most searched keywords, as well as keyword research. Basically everything that you want to do. Just you need to add the integration to your channel, and boom, you are ready to do anything for free. There are many membership options for it also, which cost differently according to the type of membership that you want to buy: pro, legend, or the bigger membership. It like the features it provides you is like click magnet, which helps you identify the most searched keywords alongside YouTube, as well as keyboard explorer, SEO studio, video topic planner, tag list, basically everything that you need to start your YouTube career. So it is the must have software for your YouTube channel. If you are a beginner, advanced, or at any level of YouTube, it is the software used by millions of users worldwide, even if they are beginners or the advanced users of YouTube. I have added the links to all the softwares in the description. Some of them will not be available. You can search them by typing in the search bar of the Google Chrome or whatever website that you use. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, peace out and subscribe to the channel if you like the video.